Hi, it's Mortisil broadcasting from my trading room in London. It's been about 6 weeks or so since I've broadcasted last. There are a number of reasons why there's been a time lapse since my last broadcast. Been very busy with my Masters, which I started this year. In fact, I have an assignment I've got to get in about the Northern Rock crash, and I have to get that in by next week and write 5,000 words. I've also had some holiday in New York, and any New Yorkers out there, I'd like to say a big hi. We had a particularly great time. We ate out at the Budokan, Mirandi's, which is down in Greenwich Village. Also went to an outrageous burlesque show at the Box on the Lower East Side. Don't quite remember how I got home, but whoever it was who put me in a taxi, thank you very much. I've also lost 35 pounds, so that's 2.5 stones lighter than I was at the beginning of the year, and that makes a huge difference. And I can't emphasise how important it is to keep fit and healthy if you're going to trade forex, money markets, or any markets come to that. As you know, I have a day job as well, and that means that at the moment I'm finding it increasingly difficult to screen trade. But if you are screen traders, there's only one way to trade the forex market, and that is FX Money Map. Leaves everything standing in its wake. I can't recommend it enough. If you are a screen trader and you trade intraday, you cannot do without Forex Money Map. Now you can check this out at www.forexmoneymap.com, or if you want more information from me, then by all means email me at mortisil@forexbuyers.com. Now, earlier broadcasts I talked about my position trading strategy, and I was going to bundle this together and sell it at a modest price on the internet, but the competition for forex search terms is so great that frankly I just can't be bothered. I'm just going to give it away. The position trading strategy they have essentially is a straddle trade. So I put a buy and a sell order in for a currency pair, except in fact the three majors, euro, dollar Swiss and cable. And the first quarter of this year and last year I opened the trades, I put the trades on at New York close. Now there's been a lot of whippiness in the market, and this has decreased my profits in Q1, and therefore I've decided to move the time that I set my buy and sell orders to 10 o'clock London, and that's made a huge improvement in my profitability. I've noticed over the years that the market makers are really move the market around, particularly between European and London Open, and also of course US data releases, the big US data releases. There was a time, just a few years ago, when non-farm payrolls was about the only data release that moved the market around. Now we have these huge whipsaws after CPI and the international trade balance. There was a whipsaw, and I found that if I put my straddle orders in at 10 o'clock London, which is 5 o'clock New York time and 2 o'clock West Coast, that the whippiness is much less. You're still going to have to put up with some pain at data release, but over the course of a month, these do iron themselves out so that you have an edge and make a profit. I will show you charts of my positions trading strategy sometime later on in this week in a separate broadcast. But I'm very glad to get back on air again. This is Mortisil saying goodbye from my trading room in London.